So today on the farm, we're going to be working on this 1934 Farmall F12. We've got to replace the diaphragm in the fuel pump. It's leaking right out of the vent. As you can see, I already loosened up the lines and disconnected them. Took the fuel bowl off and loosened up the bolts holding it onto the side of the engine. So we'll take it in the shop and start taking it apart and see how bad it is. Well, now we got it on the bench, we'll start taking up the screws out of the top of the cover, and then we'll take the bottom cover off. As you can see, it was pretty bad in that sediment bowl. I'll bring you back in when I got all the screws loose. We'll take it apart. Now that we have it apart, we can take a look at the diaphragm here. You can see it is pretty hard. Pretty well dried out diaphragm. It definitely needs to be replaced. Even some small holes on the underside of it. But luckily, I have a few parts tractors laying around, and we have another pump. So I'm going to take this apart and take a look at it to see if it's any good or not. I'll bring you back when I take the top cover off this. Well, even this diaphragm is pretty well bad. Really stiff. So I'm going to have to get a kit and rebuild it. I believe the kit gives you the diaphragm and the check valves all together. I can get one online for about $28. So I'll get that and make a video of me putting it back together and putting it back on the tractor. Now see, this is not like normal pumps. Actually, on the tractor there's a little pin that pushes out, that pushes in on that lever in there, and then that brings down the diaphragm. Well, thanks for watching. More videos on the way.